guys, I am over at Busch Gardens Tampa today, checking out the progress on Iron Gwazi, and look at this, straight through this entrance archway, and what a sight this is. So looking here into the station and also the pre-drop, and you can see this inversion here, which is the second inversion of the ride, the third turn. And I've got to say, I've just been here 5 minutes, and the buzz around the park about this structure is just nuts. This thing is massive. You see it everywhere. Everybody's stopping, looking at it. It's really exciting. And following that Outerbank turn is this turn over the station. Okay, so now over to the new stuff. This is the exit of the first turnaround, the Outerbank turn. And some new ledgers there. That turn seen in the middle of the screen, incomplete, is the turn following the stall element. And here is the current state of the Rhino Rally entrance, which is probably going to be a S&S Scream and Swing coaster, much like the Busch Gardens Williamsburg edition last year. So expect to see that in 2021. And I will leave you with this shot of that first turn Outerbank here outside, where we used to be able to get free beer, but no longer because it is now 2020. So please, everybody, write to Busch Gardens and tell them to bring back the free beer, because once you have 2 free samples of beer, you're bound to buy another one, so they're actually making money off of it. So tell them free beer, bring it back. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.